Here are a few updates for the Star Towa airdrop. Okay, so for those of you who click on the link recently, you should have seen what looks like this. Okay, now if you have this, or you have, an interface that looks like this, then this video is meant for you. There are several of these on what is happening on the Star Towa airdrop, but in this video I'm going to give you the latest update. Okay, so those of you who don't know, this Star Towa airdrop launched some time ago, and we're promising users, several dollars just for participating on the airdrop. Okay, now what you must note is, if you are having issues like this where you click and you see this error message with the Chinese writings, please kindly note that the airdrop is expired. Okay, the airdrop is expired. Actually launched the airdrop sometime around March, and now it is expired. And then in a situation where you find this option, like you find this this verification, even if you go through the verification, it's not going to work because, well, the airdrop is expired. Now there are several developments coming up on where this Towa is listed, but what you have to note is they have a crypto wallet on their own. Okay, so I don't know if you've come across all this information online, but in this video you know that these guys already have a wallet on their own, and this star is listed on a few exchanges as of now. Okay, airdrop is expired and now it is listed on several exchanges, and so as you can see they are listed on several exchanges. Like as you can see clearly, there is the Carnival. Okay, so this is listed on Carnival, and it is also listed on the Bitmath. Right, now these are the exchanges so far, and just in case you want to trade the Star Tower, you can trade them on these exchanges. Okay, so that is the update for now, and bye bye.